Do you have an email? Do you know how to start an email? Do you know how you can make money with an email? Well, stay tuned. This video will tell you how to start and make money with an email. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Email is a technique of sending messages from one system to another across the internet in real time. The use of emails was initially limited to users on the same computer, and it required users to be online to receive messages. However, the time has passed, and we now know how the mailbox seems. The mail can be sent to several recipients, and the recipient's name can be disguised from other recipients by including their names in the BCC section. The process begins with the assistance of an email client, which connects to a server called Simple Mail Transfer Protocol over the internet. The server is given a dedicated port to help the client send and receive messages via email. The header information must be preserved for the recipient's email address to be correct. The data is converted by SMTP to transport the mail content across the ports. Because the @ symbol serves as a separator between the name and the mail server, SMTP looks for the mail server after the @ sign. Email clients include Outlook, Gmail, Thunderbird, Yahoo, and others, and messages can be sent and received from any of them. When the domains differ, SMTP searches the domain name system, and an IP address is used to send a signal to the recipient's server informing them of the email. The gateways are now open, the mail is being sent to the new server, and communication happens. So, you can contact any individual at any time of day, and they can read and answer the mail at their leisure. It used to be expensive to contact people worldwide using old methods. Now, mails may be sent to anyone with a mail address with a single click, making it simple to keep track of contacts. And if the system is connected to the internet, this can be done for free. Do you need to start growing an email list for your website? Building an email list has far too many advantages to be overlooked. An email list can have a significant impact on the traffic and profitability of your website, among other things. Prices differ depending on the service. They are determined by the maximum size of the mailing list and the features offered. On average, 2,000 members cost $27, 5,000 members cost $47, 10,000 members cost $69, and 50,000 members cost $253. Even yet, some bulk email services have price levels that are always free. Select a platform that offers the greatest solutions for your company at a fair cost. Today, tens of thousands of emails are sent worldwide, and many online services are inaccessible without an email address. To set up an email account, first of all, look for a website that provides email services. For example, notable ones are yahoo.com, google.com, and hotmail.com, and they are all free forever. The next step is to click on the sign up button. Although you may have to go to the login page to see this, there is usually a tiny link graphic or text that says register or sign up. Type free email account and your chosen website in a search engine. Click on the proper link, which should take you to the selected email account setup page. Then follow all of the instructions on the page, making sure to fill in all required information. It's okay if you're hesitant to provide some details. Don't worry, most email accounts don't require a phone number or a street address, so you may leave these blank. Also, read the service agreement and check the box indicating that you agree to follow the rules of the email system. Once you've finished, go to the bottom of the screen and click the Submit or Enter button. Congratulations! You've successfully created an email address. You may now continue to import your contacts, send messages to friends, and write emails, among other things. It has been shown that making money with email lists is incredibly effective. It's so powerful that it's almost necessary for each website owner to establish and grow their email list. Now, how much can I earn from an email? The answer to this question is subjective and differs widely. It is dependent on several factors. The size of your email list and relevant products or services to market to them are two of the most critical factors. Each monthly email subscriber is worth $1. For example, a list of 10,000 members might earn you $10,000 every month. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.